Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon, everybody, wherever you are, if you're in Africa, America, Europe. Depending on the time, I received the Amazon package today. So let me check what is inside. By the way, we are talking about air fryer. So we want to check the box package. We're checking the package. We have air fryer Pepperlanius, which is 100 PCS. 100 PCS. Show all the manual how to use it and what to use it and what not to use. Watch it carefully. Now let's check out the air fryer. Let's go back and see how we can use it. So let's open the chamber of the air fryer. Let's do some cleaning, some washing. Wash it clean before you use because of chemical. Make sure you wash it clean, soft, to avoid some allergy. Wash it very, very good. Wash it truly with sponge, with a soft sponge. Wash the net. Wash the net. Make sure you wash it with a soft sponge. Rinse it with warm or cold water. Rinse it properly and good. Put the net aside. Wash and rinse the inner chamber. Remove all the excess of the soap. Dry it. Use a kitchen paper to dry it if possible. Take a nice and clean kitchen paper. Dry it as well as much as possible. Check wherever there is water. Dry it. Go through with the kitchen paper, back, front, forward. Because the air fryer doesn't need more water inside or oil. Make sure it's clean and dry. Clean the net. Dry it also. The kitchen paper. Go through all the corners. Check if there's any remaining water. Make sure you get all the water out. Check. the rubbers, both left and right, and the corner. Fix it back gently, softly. Don't force it. Do it slowly, soft, and that's how it's supposed to be. There you have it. Keep it aside. Now we have the tea. While you are waiting it to dry, do yourself some tea, black tea. Transfer your tea in the tea kernel, in the German English or German wet. Make sure you get all the tea out. And cover it with a cover. Cover it very well and make sure it closes tightly. Press it to pop up. Take some tea out. Take it slowly because it's still warm so that you don't wound yourself. Keep it aside, and that's right. Now let's go through the air fryer paper lanyards. They are 100 PCS with an instruction how to use. Check it very well if you have everything set. Keep it aside. Gently remove one. Keep the rest aside, but remember to close it. Gently fix it inside. Press it in, and you are ready to go. Today we are frying egg. After you have it, keep it aside. Get your plate, get your egg. Take some desire, 2 or 3. The desire one, you can take 1, you can take 2, but this video I take 2. I think it's 3, 2. Get your cucumber, wash it and dry it. Get your tomato, wash it and dry it. Get your peeler. Try to peel the cucumber. Do it slowly so that you don't wound yourself. Step by step. Cut it into pieces. Put them into the plate. Open your egg. Break it through. Put the egg in the plate. Cut your onions. Chop them pieces by pieces. Peel the onions, remove the cover, the top layer. Slide your onions into pieces, put it in the plate, mix it very well. Get your seasoning salt. Season it according to your taste. Get your garlic, season it according to your taste. Get your pepper, season it according to your taste. Get your paprika, mix with chicken, season it according to your taste. Get your grilled sausages, season it according to your taste. Mix it well, stir it truly. Get all the corners. Put it inside. Now we close it and we wait for some 15 minutes. And the egg is through. And don't forget to share this video. Go thoroughly, make sure it cooked well, check it for last time. If it is good, remove it, put it in a plate. Inside is clean. When you have your air fryer paper line, your air fryer will be clean. So you off. Check if it is rolled through. By flipping it into the plate. As you flip it, you see truly is good. If it is that you taste, then you are free to go. But ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to share this and subscribe. Enjoy with your tea and bread. That is your morning breakfast. This is exactly the way we do it. And this air fryer is free of charge. Subscribe and share. Thank you very much.